Hi guys, this is Ray from Textros. Today I will show you how to install HyperOS in Poco X3. Okay, all you need to press and hold power button. Go to recovery. So I have transferred all my custom ROMs in the USB. So please wait until it loads. So first thing you need to is wipe your data. Okay, then go to storage. Okay, it's not loading. You need to remove and okay. So you can see HyperOS and make it flash. So it's finished. All you need to do reboot system. So you can see the logo boot animation Xiaomi HyperOS. So you can see it's Xiaomi HyperOS. See the controls are so beautiful. So this is the